In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign in Sprout Social. Whether you're new to Sprout Social or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through this essential process with clear, concise instructions. So, let's dive right in and make sure you get the most out of your social media management. The first thing we need to do is open a web browser that you're comfortable using. This could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Once your browser is up and running, head to the search bar. Now, type in Sprout Social and hit Enter. This should bring up the Sprout Social website at the top of your search results. Click on the link to navigate to their homepage, where you will see options to either sign in if you already have an account or sign up if you're new to Sprout Social. If you're signing up, make sure you follow the prompts to create your account. Once you've successfully signed in, locate the Publishing section on the dashboard. This is the central area for managing your social media postings. Within the Publishing section, you'll find the Campaigns area. This is your go-to spot for creating and managing your social campaigns. In the Campaigns area, look for the Create Campaign button. This is usually prominently displayed on the interface for easy access. Clicking this button will open a new window where you can start setting up your campaign details. Now let's talk about filling in those campaign details. First, give your campaign a name. An effective name will help you quickly identify the campaign later on. Next, choose a display color for your campaign, which can help visually categorize your different campaigns. Then, set the start and end dates for your campaign. This is crucial for planning purposes, ensuring that your content goes live at the right time and remains active for the duration you intend. You'll also need to assign the relevant groups that this campaign pertains to. This organization enables you to target specific audiences effectively. There's also a section for a campaign brief. The campaign brief is your opportunity to outline goals or notes that will guide anyone involved in the campaign. Providing a detailed brief will not only help keep you on track, but also align any team members working with you on the campaign's objectives. Once everything is filled in and you're satisfied with your campaign's setup, click the Save button. This action will save your campaign, and from here, you can move forward with scheduling posts and monitoring the campaign's progress. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a social campaign in Sprout Social. From setting up to saving your campaign, now you're fully equipped to take on your social media strategies with confidence.